Yeah, I
Yeah.
started looking at it.
Okay, I gotta find mine. Okay. Yeah, let's just jump in there. Okay. What'd you guys get on 3?
I chose C.
That's what I put as well.
Okay. And 4, did you guys get?
I put A.
I have B.
I have B.
Okay.
Okay.
Um, I wrote in my notes that a residual is the difference between observed value of y for a given x and predicted value of y on a regression line for the same x. So that's why I chose B.
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay. Yeah, I'm sure you're right. You're always right.
I don't know about that. Okay. All right, so question 5.
Okay, so this one I was confused about. I put D by like process of elimination.
That's what
Um,
I did too.
Yeah, I
I
chose
looked
D.
back. Did you do D, Adam?
Yeah.
I know I looked back in the chapter and I kept rereading it, and that's what I did too. I just kind of eliminated. So, yeah, I think we should go for it. I'm going to shut my door. My kids are making a lot of noise. Okay, yeah. So I'm game with that. I think that sounds good.
okay. But I didn't like see anything that specifically said that, so
Yeah, I didn't either. I don't know what they mean by the zero mean. I
yeah.
don't know. But I know, and on the, I guess in the chart in the book there were negative numbers, so I don't think they have to be positive.
Yeah.
All right, I think we're good on that.
Okay.
Okay, 6. Um,
I put C.
yeah, that's what I put also.
Alrighty.
And then 7.
I put C on that one as well.
Yeah, I did also.
Mm-hmm.
And then on 8, did you check all of them?
I marked the first two, and then the other ones I wasn't sure about, so I didn't mark them. But I didn't
Um, I
know.
checked. I checked all of them. I think the last 2, the x values and the observations, are independent.
Mm-hmm.
Um, I think we're just supposed to assume
Yeah,
that they
because it
are
said
because there's
like,
nowhere to test.
yeah, it said you couldn't check them. Like there was no way to test them.
Okay, so
So
I just selected them because I thought they were, and then A, B, C, the one on C was the residual plot, right? A, B, C, yeah. Let me just run it real quick. I think. The score, is that the dependent or independent? Do you remember? What does it say in the problem?
Sorry, I just didn't hear what you said.
I forgot which one was X and Y, the score and the confidence. What's the response?
The confidence data as the explanatory and the score as the response, yeah.
So I forgot. I'm drawing a blank. Which one doesn't change? We're trying to figure out.
So the dependent changes. Is that what you're asking?
Right. Yeah, the dependent changes and the independent doesn't. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
So in this one, the confidence changes, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Hopefully I'm doing this right. Okay.
I have mine still pulled up, so let me do it too.
Okay, that would be good. On the residual plot, so we're want to make sure that there's no megaphone shape, which it doesn't look like it is on mine.
Mine's a hot dog shape.
Okay. So I'm going to just say, I'm going to check every box then.
Okay.
On 8, the variance term. Okay. And then on 9.
I got 12.725.
Okay. I got 12.695. I wonder why.
Okay, so let me see.
So on this one,
did you use the box, let me see, 14, H14?
I looked in the coefficients box.
Yeah, so that's what I did too.
And then in the B, under the B category, mine says next to confidence rating mean 12.695. So yours says, what does yours say?
12.725.
725. That's weird. I'm just going to start over and see what I get.
Okay, I'll do it again too.
Alex. When you're doing that, are you using the residuals for the confidence, or are you using just the regular confidence rating?
The what?
When you're finding the B1, are you using you know how you have to find the residual score?
Yeah.
Are you using that score or not?
Oh, no, I just use the regular.
Okay, I'm wondering.
Maybe for the residuals.
So let me see. If I did that. And you're putting score independent and confidence in independent?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got the same thing again.
You did? That's weird. I got 12.695 also. Okay, maybe, let me try it one more time and see. I'm just going to go start. This was the math one. Okay. Hang on, let me grab my other notes real quick. Maybe that will explain it. Okay, let's see. So you just went to like analyze, regression, linear.
So yeah, I just did like the t-test for linear regression and put in the data. And then the under the coefficients, it's the slope, the B1, right?
Yeah. So, score is the dependent. I wonder if I put those in backwards. Let's see. I'm still getting 12.695. What are you getting for your t-score?
Let me check. 12.476.
That's so weird. I'm getting 12.424. I don't know why we'd be getting something.
Doing it in Excel or SPSS?
I'm doing SPSS. How about you?
I'm doing Excel.
That might be why. Okay. Let's last time we did that, they both were right.
Mhm.
So I think either way would be okay.
Okay. Well, I guess we can just move on and we'll see.
Okay, I'll try it.
Yeah.
Did it say? Okay. Did it say what it had to be done in? It didn't, did it? Okay. I didn't even see directions for Excel.
I only saw directions for Excel. So.
Really?
Yeah.
That's so weird. Okay. I'm going to assume we can do it either way. For 10, see, that might explain 10 on my confidence interval. I got slightly different than the answer.
Mhm.
But it was close. I did A. Is that what you got?
Yeah.
In Excel, did you get that exact same answer?
Let me check. 14.722. Yes, I did.
Okay, so what did you get for 9? I'm just going to put your answer in just in case.
I got 12.725.
12.725.
Mm-hmm.
And then A on 10. Okay, I'm going to have to go back and see if I can figure out the Excel directions.
So it's in the quantitative inference procedure thing. It's under the linear regression tab.
Linear regression tab. Okay, I'll play with that.
The same thing as like the one sample, the paired sample, the two thing in the ANOVA.
Right.
And then just...
There's a quantitative. So, okay, I'll play with that later. That'll be something good for me to figure out, I guess. All right. And 11, did you put B?
Yes.
And did you put C on 12?
Yes, I did.
Okay. And 13, the dependent was body length, right? I think.
I put head.
Let me see. I might be mixing up the two.
Well, the body length, it depends upon how long the head was that they measured. So wouldn't that make it the body the dependent and the
I think
independent is the head length, the bone that they were measuring or whatever?
so because body length is what we're trying to figure out. So that's the Y. The response variable, I wrote it down somewhere. Yeah, the Y is what we're trying to predict. So we're trying to predict body length.
Okay, yeah. Those ones confuse me.
I know. I have it written down. I have to refer to it every time. It's confusing.
It's like your mind shuts off. You're like,
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't do this anymore.
Yeah.
So 14, what did you guys put?
I put B.
Okay, me too.
There's a name.
So the only one that we really questioned on was
9.
9 and 4. You guys had something different than I had on 4, but is there any that we just need to kind of double check before we submit?
How did you guys do number 10 exactly? I'm trying to review that confidence interval.
I did mine in SPSS and she did Excel.
Mm-hmm.
Really good.
But in mine, when you do the like when you go to analyze, I went to analyze, regression.
Linear, yeah, I see it here.
Yeah.
Okay,
Then,
yeah, there's instructions for both.
Okay, I'm going to go back and figure out the Excel and see which one's easier. But if you're doing it in SPSS, then you have to go in and click on statistics, I think, and just make sure that the box for confidence intervals is selected.
And then you get the regression answer where exactly? Like I'm looking at the chapter right now, the box that you get in SPSS. Where's the confidence?
The confidence interval, it's right under the standard deviations in the Excel format.
Okay.
And in SPSS, it's in the coefficients box.
Unstandardized coefficients. There we are. Okay.
Yeah, so I got a little bit different than what was in the Excel, but they're close, so it probably will take either answer, but just to be sure. Okay, should we submit and see? I'll submit. Okay, we missed some.
We missed what?
Okay, 6 is wrong. 6 is A.
Okay.
And sorry, I don't know if you guys submitted, but I thought this was confusing. On 8, don't check the last 2.
Okay.
And then you guys will get 100. Oh, wait, sorry. 14 is wrong. 14 is A.
Oh, wow.
I would not have known that. So.
Yeah, I never would have guessed that one.
Yeah, I don't even know if it said that anywhere. I'm going to have to go back and look. Anyway, yeah, if you guys fix those, you'll be good to go.
Yeah, you're 100%.
Okay. Oh, I'm over this class. I'm ready for it to be done.
Yeah,
Me?
isn't it crazy that we're almost there?
We're so close.
It's like I
Um,
am done with this semester.
oh, I know. I can barely make it.
How many classes are you taking right now?
I only have 2, but it feels like
Sure.
a lot.
I'm sure being a mom kind of, makes it difficult. I mean, I'm just guessing.
Yeah, it's definitely not ideal. I wish I'd finished before I had kids, but that didn't happen. So it's tricky. How about you guys? Do you have full schedules?
I just have 2 classes.
I have no reason to complain.
Yeah, it's good. Janessa, what else are you taking?
I have a psychology class as well.
Oh, which one? Psychology 111 or?
No, it's like the career psychology.
Oh, I took that one.
Yeah.
Okay,
Two, or what is?
sounds
I
good. What are
know.
you majoring in? Are you marriage and family, Janessa?
No, I'm a psychology major.
Or your psychology?
Yeah.
That is-
Adam, what are you doing?
What am I doing? University studies.
Yeah, what is your major? Okay. Sounds good.
Yeah.
All right. I think I was just gonna look at the. Hang on, just a second. Our next take action part of the project, I think, is due Saturday. Oh. Okay, our PowerPoint is due on Saturday also.
Well, we can go over it, our next meeting or something.
Yeah, I think I'm going to see if there's a way. I'm pretty sure that we can just start a PowerPoint and maybe each of us can just take one part of the PowerPoint. Because we've already done all the worksheets, I think we just need to kind of use the worksheets that we've already submitted and just put that information into a PowerPoint. So it seems like we can just start one and email it around.
I have the PowerPoint not being due until a week from Friday.
Really?
Yeah, the 19th.
To the 19th. Okay. Oh, I hope so. That would be awesome. Oh, it is. But yeah, you're right. Okay, so we don't really need to worry about that. But we just need to do the take action, which I don't think that's too complicated. I don't know what kind of action we're taking about the M&Ms. That seems kind of strange. One or two paragraphs.
Protest or something.
Yeah, protest. There weren't enough brown M&Ms or something. I don't know. 1 to 2 paragraphs describing the action you suggest based on the results of your study.
Well, the brown are my least favorite personally, so I'm fine if they decrease the amount.
Yeah, maybe the brown art is popular.
I'm kind of partial to yellow, but that's just me.
I kind of like the green. It's all good. Oh, that's funny. Okay, it says actions can include many things: launching an internet ad campaign, expressing gratitude, getting vaccinated, blah blah blah. In 1 or 2 paragraphs, describe what action you suggest based on the results of your statistical study. All right, maybe you guys can think about that, and we can compare notes on Thursday or something. I don't know what to do with this part.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. All right. We'll just talk about it on Thursday, but be thinking about that, and we'll see what we come up with.
Okay.
Anyway. All right, guys. Well, thank you.
Okay. Later.
All right. See you on Thursday.
Bye.
Bye.
Vanessa, does Thursday work with your schedule?
I hope so. I have to work, but I'm trying to switch with somebody, so I'll try and make it.
Okay. If not, we can just kind of talk through email or whatever.
Okay.
All right. Thanks.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.